Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race. And in this ngFor series, this is the last series of this ngFor directive. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to identify even and odd elements in the collection. So in this one, you will learn how to show odd and even in Angular with ngFor directive. In this video, you will learn how to use odd and even, as well as you will also learn how to apply conditional CSS based on odd and even rows. So if you apply odd and even CSS, in that case the row will be more readable and it will look better than the plain one. So let me show you with example. So let's modify in our existing students list component.html file. So here will be each even, then here even, and here each odd, then odd here. Now let's paste this style sheet here. So here it will be if it's even, in that case the color will be gray, or else it will be orange. So rather, let's remove this first and last because we don't need this currently. So here we can paste this CSS and let's see the first one. There is spelling mistake, orange. Yes, as you can see, it is displaying the alternate color. So we can paste this one in all of these. Now let's check. And you can see this alternate color is displaying here. So how did it work? First it is stored even, then in even variable, and this odd in odd variable, and it is checking here in background color. If it's even, then it will display gray or else orange. So gray or orange. So this way it is checking Boolean value. It is checking if it's even, in that case it will display gray color, or else it will display orange. So this way you can use odd and even along with ngFor. So hope you like this video. This is the 5th video. So from beginning I demonstrated you that how you can use ngFor, and apart from that also how you can use ng track by. And after that I display that how you can find the id, the index, and also after that I displayed you that how you can check if the element is the first and the last, and based on that how you can apply conditional CSS. And at last I displayed you how to find, how to check which one is odd and which one is even. So based on that you can also apply conditional CSS, and you can generate a beautiful row this way. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.